I had to drive up to one of my friend's place. His fucking girlfriend like broke through a glass table and really like fucked up her leg. She ended up going to the hospital. I drove her to the fucking ER, and they had to like take X-rays and perform like this emergency surgery. And they asked her for like permission to like put like these metal cogs in her leg, and she kept refusing because it fucking freaked her out. I guess she just didn't associate with knee gears.
That's where that went. That is where that went. Holy shit! What the fuck?
Debating whether or not to put that in the video.
No,
The answer is no.
Shit down. You write this shit down. There's no way you just thought of that shit.
Just made it up.
Oh, thank God, our token black guy is laughing. It's okay.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
That was what I was waiting for. I was like, is it okay for me to laugh, Grizzy? Let me know, Chief.
Yeah, affirmative.
You're not laughing? I'm not laughing either. That shit's not funny. That shit's not funny at all. You laughing? You laughing? All right, that's
you
good.
can laugh now.
Good joke, Jack. But you're laughing though, right? You're laughing?
Was that why there was such a delay?
Yeah, I was like, all right, let's see what Grizzy feels about this, and we'll proceed from there.
It was literally 5 seconds of silence and a fucking bead of sweat rolling down my forehead.